We're very honored to be here today, kickstarting 2024 with the first MEIRA chapter meeting. This comes at the back of the MEIRA annual conference hosted by Bahrain Bourse and in collaboration with the Central Bank of Bahrain.
It's always a good opportunity to discuss the plans that Supreme Council for Environment has conducted and share with them, with the relevant stakeholders, how can get these plans done and collaborate in order to implement.
Unlocking value through sustainability was a topic of the day. We've looked at the intersection between investor relations, best practices and ESG, and we look forward to support Bahrain Bourse and the other exchanges in improving IR best practice and ESG sustainability disclosures practices across the region.